Good afternoon, this is Simon Browning, and in this video I am going to demonstrate how to add a new page to this TYPO3 website without having it show up in any of the menus. For instance, I don't want it to show down here or over there. One example of when a not in menu page is commonly used is a thank you page for a contact form. So you want the contact form to show up in the menu, but the thank you page doesn't necessarily need to be. So let's jump right into it. I'm going to log into the back end. I've already done that. So I'm going to flip over here. Now we're in the back end. So we're going to make it right on the main level, just for an example. So I'm going to edit the page properties for the home page, and I'm going to create a new page inside the home page, and we are going to call it sample page. And I'm going to untick that hide button because I don't want it to be a hidden page. Let me just save and close it for now. We'll come back here in a second, and we should see it's shown up right there. If I go look at the actual website, there we now have a sample page and our menu's gotten blown out. So we don't want that to show up. So I'm going to go back again, and I'm going to edit the properties now on this sample page. Now I could have done this when I created it as well. There's two different settings here that we have. We have hide page. When we hide a page, it doesn't show up on the website, doesn't show up in the menus, but it is also not accessible through the front end at all. So nobody could get to that page. We also have this section here called hide in menu. If I tick hide in menu and save the page, and then go back to my front end and refresh it, sample page has now disappeared. But it is actually still accessible through the front end. So if someone knew where it was, or if it was linked from somewhere, i.e. from a contact page, you could still get to it. And let's find it actually. It's that's the page with ID 86. So if I were to go index.php ID equals 86, there it is. And there's nothing on it. Now naturally, if I was actually using it, I would have content on there, and it might have a proper page name or be linked from somewhere. But there, in a nutshell, is how you would make a page that exists on the website but does not show in the menus. Thank you very much. If you have any questions, please feel free to use our feedback form here. Thank you.